Okay, so now welcome to your new student orientation. We're gonna get right into it, okay? So I hope you have your university or your platform, Mighty Network, up on a different computer. If not, you can just follow along so that I can show you exactly how to navigate through this thing. I know it looked like French, but trust me, once you play around with it, it makes more sense. So this is the purpose of this video, is that so that I can show you how to actually easily navigate into Mighty Network and go throughout the classes. Now, I'm gonna tell you this right now, you're not gonna be able to skip around in these classes because you won't be able to move on to the sophomore class until you finish the freshman class. That is very, very important. I need for you to understand, fully digest, and comprehend the freshman class curriculum that's inside the freshman class first before you're able to move on into the sophomore class. And yes, you're gonna have homework, okay? This is university, we learning, we trying to scale our businesses. And the only way you're gonna be able to scale and be successful is when you truly understand every aspect of your business, okay? It's not just all about being a business owner. The business has its own business within the business. So let's dive in, and I'm going to show you and give you a tour of Mourae Maven University. I'm gonna try to do it side by side, y'all. I'm not real technical with this technicality stuff, but I'm gonna try to edit this video to the best of my ability to be able to move around in this thing, okay? So the first place we're gonna start here where it says MMU. So on the left hand side, this is where all of the collections are, or where all of the places that you'll be able to go with inside of MMU. So at the top, you can see where it says encyclopedia, events, and members. And the encyclopedia is just a few things. If you wanted to see the featured posts, that's going to be, I'll highlight throughout the university, or upcoming events when we get ready to do our strategy calls, which we will do 1 to 2 times a week. We will have strategy calls, and for you guys to be able to ask your questions and get them answered. We'll do all of that during the strategy call. And then the welcome checklist, just go through the welcome checklist and make sure you have your Mighty Network set up like you want it to be set up and the way you're understanding, okay? So events is just another portion of the encyclopedia. This is where I'll put in all the scheduled events, Zoom calls, and things like that. So you are able to go live inside of Mourae Maven University. If you want to go live, you're more than welcome to. I may go live just to pop in and see what's going on, but when we have our scheduled events, most likely they will be done on Zoom, okay? And all of the members, you can see all the members here, everyone that's online. If you want to chat with anybody, you could do that there. And of course, I'll be the first one that you see. This is a brand new platform, you guys. So don't expect to see much, but there will be hundreds of students in here very soon. And on the next one, you would see MMU University. And if you scroll down, you will see all of these different collections that I have in MMU University. And the first thing that you're going to see is a new student orientation. That's what you're in right now, is new student orientation. I want you to go in, try to read, y'all. Make sure you be proactive in the group, because I'm telling you now, if you're not active, I will remove you, okay? I want everybody to interact with everybody in here and also do what it is that you're supposed to do so that you can help your business to grow, okay? I can only take it as serious as you. So make sure you show up for yourself. Make sure you go through all the curriculum, download as many templates in here as possible. It's a ton of information. I know it's probably a little bit overwhelming, but it is here to help you, okay? So after the new student orientation, this is where you'll get started at first. It's in the freshman class. And when you click on freshman class, you'll notice there are a ton of videos and curriculum in the freshman class. And that's because this is what it took for me to be able to get where I needed to go, okay? So you need to go ahead and start the curriculum. The first lesson the first section that you'll see is the Shopify apps. I need you to go ahead and download all of these apps, okay? And once you're finished downloading them, please make sure you take a screenshot so that I know that you are on the right track and you're doing what you're supposed to do in the university. However, I'm not gonna babysit you. We are all grown here. So just go through and you'll be able to go through. They are dripped content, so you're not going to be able to just skip through them as much as you think you were going to want to. So they will be dripped out every day or every other day. And the next one, you'll see we have sophomore class and all of the contents within the sophomore class, okay? If you click back on MMU University, you're able to go and see the junior class. The junior class will talk about a lot of stuff in here. You can go through at your own convenience and look at that. And then we're going to go back to MMU University, and then you'll see the senior class. The senior class is where we're going to host all of our challenges to make sure you are hitting those levels every day you launch. So the first challenge we'll have is a $500 day challenge. This is where I'm going to help you, all of you all, make at least $500 in one day if you have not done so already. Once everyone has hit that $500 mark, or if you have hit that $500 mark, we're gonna hit up to 1K, okay? The next we're gonna do 5K. The next we're doing the 10K challenge, okay? So those are where all the challenges will be after you have completed your freshman, sophomore, and junior class in MMU University. You will not be able to skip over to this if you have not completed the prerequisites, okay? So now under MMU University, you would see the one-on-one tutoring. Now, let me just make this very, very clear. The one-on-one tutoring is when you work with me personally with your business. This is a completely separate plan. We have only 2 plans here at MMU University. We have the $97 a month plan where you're able to get access to everything in a university. And then the one-on-one tutoring is their own separate small little group who chooses that plan to work with me, and I dive in and look at your analytics myself and see what we need to do to get you going on that aspect, solving any problem you may have within your business. And we work together between 4 to 6 weeks, and we will meet twice a week and get you to where you want to do and meet your goals, okay? So that's the only one-on-one I do within MMU University, is that other plan that'll be located on the landing page when you sign up. Now, if you scroll down to MMU Marketplace, this will be a website where you can get the merch. As you can see, I have the MMU University shirt on, or sweatshirt. I'll have hats and things like that. I'm going to really take this university. It's my baby now, and I've been working on it for so long. So I'm telling you, you will see results in here. And that's another thing that I'm very passionate about. It's not about the money for me, it's about results. So if all of your small wins, I want you all to celebrate them, and I'm going to show you where to post your celebrations inside of MMU University, okay? So the next thing that I want to show you is after the one-on-one tutoring, here is where all the fun stuff is. I like to call it the campus, because you have different spaces within this campus that you can go to that will definitely be beneficial to you and your business, okay? So once you click on campus, you will see study hall, media center, counselor office, common area, the principal office, the library, student progress, okay? So within study hall, this is where all the templates were going to be, right? So any template that you need to be able to scale your business will be in study hall. I have things in here like hooks that I've used. I have a content planner in here, or if you don't know what to post, you don't know what type of content to post, I have templates and Excel sheets and PDFs in here for you guys to be able to use. If you just get that business fog and like, I don't know what to post today, study hall would be the perfect place for you to go to find ideas to be able to post. And I'll post also other influencers or other businesses that I think would be really good for you guys to kind of not copy, but use as an inspiration to use for your business as well. All right, so after study hall, then you'll have the media center. The media center will be where the trending sounds are. So I am a fan of trending sounds. They have helped me even when I'm talking or doing a voiceover on a video and you can't really hear the sound. I would still use a trending sound, but turn the volume all the way down because it's trending. So it's gonna push out my video, right? So any trending sound that I like to use is going to be in the media center. So next thing we want to do is the counselor office. Now, every morning when I wake up or when I go into my warehouse or anything that I'm about to do before I start my day when it regards to business or personal life, I always make sure I read a scripture. I have to have my devotional or my day just won't go right. So in MMU University, this is a safe space. So if you're feeling some type of way, we're business owners. Being a business owner is ghetto, but we wouldn't change it for the world, right? So if you come in here and you're just feeling some type of way, you need to let something off your chest, you can come in the counselor's office and you can just vent. Okay, I read y'all posts. I will definitely read y'all posts and I will definitely respond. So if you're feeling some type of way, if you need somebody to talk to, baby, listen, come on in here, come on in the room and let it all out. I post all the scriptures or the devotions that I read, I'm gonna post them in here. I'm gonna actually put a 30-day monthly devotional calendar in here for you guys to be able to read Bible scriptures that are tailored to being a business owner, because it is hard and we do not have friends that understand what it is that we go through as business owners. So the only person you have to talk to is God. So I'm going to put the scriptures in here, so because he's the only one that understands us, right? So after the counselor's office, you can come down to the common area. Now, the common area is where y'all go and meet, mingle, and network. Please use the common area. Me and my best friend met in a class what we thought was a mentorship, and we became best friends ever since and been helping each other grow businesses. So y'all come in here and y'all network, talk to each other, say, hey, what you think about this? Y'all be very interactive in this group. I cannot stand when a group is quiet. Like, it drives me crazy. Okay, so just come in here, network, talk, hee hee ha ha, whatever it is that you want to do in the common area, okay? And feel free throughout the campus or throughout the university, if you want to leave a comment, or if you have questions, you are free to do that anywhere that it shows the feed. So you can post where you see the feed in the university. That's where you're able to comment and kind of converse, okay? So right after the common area, you have the principal office. So if you have an issue, like, hey, Rashid, I need to talk to you about something, you come in the principal office and just type a question and let me know. We can have our little discussion here, okay? I do not think they have messaging on here, but they probably do. If it's real private, I think you can message me on here personally. I don't mind, as long as it's not anything about I need help with my business, because we could do that on the calls, okay? So, and if that you need a one-on-one type thing, you guys, please just do the one-on-one. You'll get more out of the one-on-one plan than you are trying to send a side message, okay? So after the principal office, the library, believe it or not, I read hundreds of books about business and being an entrepreneur, business owner, or whatever. It has helped me tremendously. So I'm going to post a lot of books that I'm reading in here, and I may just post a video with me reading a chapter or two that I feel like will resonate with you all. But if you want to read them on your own, this is where I'm going to post all of the growth books regarding business or even personal growth. I'll do that as well, because reading is definitely therapeutic for me and I love it. Besides listening to music, reading is I'm telling you, if you don't read enough, try it. So student progress, this is where we're going to post all of y'all wins, okay? After each class, when you complete your freshman class, I want to see what y'all have completed. I want to see what you've learned. Post a video saying, hey, this month I've learned this. I'm so excited, because I'm going to put y'all on the spot. Okay, let me know what it is that you are learning. If you're not learning what you want to learn, tell me what it is that you want to improve on, because that's why I'm here. I'm here to teach, and I'm here to show what it is that I have done to be able to get to where I am now. Because like I said, I didn't have anybody to help me. So I want to be able to make things smooth for y'all and not make those same mistakes that I made when I was running a business. So if you have that you have anything, any review, post it in the student progress. I would love to hear about it. So that will conclude our MMU tour. Next, you can go on and head over to the freshman class and get started, because I want to see y'all install these apps. Okay, so let's get to it. Bye.